In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Brother Attach Email and Print app. This feature allows you to attach a document to an email and send it to a Brother machine to be printed, without the need for printer drivers or passwords. To use this feature, the Brother machine must be connected to a network with access to the internet. From the control panel, we first need to scroll to Brother Apps. Select Brother Apps and then select Attach Email and Print. When you do this the first time, you will see some initial information on the basic function of the app. Click OK. If you don't want to see the basic information every time you use Attach Email and Print, we can tap No here. We now have two choices: select address and how to register a print job. I'll show you how to register a print job first. When you tap on how to register a print job, an instruction sheet will be printed. Here you will find a unique email address for the printer. From your email application, open a new email and enter the email address of the printer. Then attach the file you want to be printed and click Send. The email will be sent to the printer. The document will not be printed until it has been selected from the control panel. Note that you can send up to 10 attachments from the same email message as long as their combined size does not exceed 20 megabytes. The 20 megabyte limit also applies when sending only one attachment. On the instruction sheet, you will also find a QR code. If you scan the QR code with your mobile device, it will open a new email for you to attach a file to be printed. You can attach these file types to be printed. Once you attach the file to be printed and sent the email to the printer's email address, you will receive back a confirmation email to tell you that the print job has been registered. Next, we need to go to the machine's control panel and scroll back through to Attach Email and Print and tap on Select Address. The print job that you sent will be listed with your email address and can now be selected. If you do not select the print job, it will be held on the printer for 24 hours before being deleted. We will select it. The print job will be released and printed. Attach Email and Print is a simple way to email files to be printed. There are two other ways I'd like to talk about. Firstly, Cloud Secure Print. This way, as the name suggests, is a bit more secure. Using Cloud Secure Print, you can attach the email in the same way as Attach Email and Print, but in order to release your print jobs, this function requires you to enter a PIN that only you know. This is ideal when printing sensitive information in shared environments. When you sent an email with an attached file to be printed in the same way as we did with Attach Email and Print, on the confirmation email there will be a unique 6-digit password. When you go to the printer to release a print job, you will be asked to enter the password. Enter the password and press OK, and the print job will be released for printing. On some Brother printer machines, there's an option to email attached files to be printed directly without having to release a print job from the control panel. Please check your machine's specifications to see if the email print function is supported. Email print has to be set up through the machine's internal admin pages, accessed by entering the IP address of the machine into a web browser. Here you can find the machine's unique email address. If you now attach a file to be printed and send it to the printer's email address, it will be printed as soon as the machine receives the email, without any further user intervention. Full details of how to configure the direct email print feature can be found by clicking the link. Thank you for watching this video on how to use Brother's Attach Email and Print app.